Welcome back to the channel, your premier destination for next-general 3D printing reviews, multicolor additive manufacturing breakdowns, desktop studio setup guides, and automated maker tech showcases. Today, we are putting an absolute powerhouse under the spotlight, a high-speed, fully enclosed CoreXY system paired with an automated multicolor filament engine designed for serious creators and studio makers, the Creality K2 Combo. For years, stepping up to multicolor 3D printing meant sacrificing print speed, dealing with complex setup procedures, or investing thousands in industrial equipment. The Creality K2 Combo solves this by integrating high-speed CoreXY mechanics with the innovative Creality Filament System, or CFS, straight out of the box. At the heart of the K2 Combo is a super-rigid die-cast aluminum exoskeleton frame driven by advanced field-oriented control, or FOC, step-servo motors across all axes. Capable of reaching blazing print speeds up to 600 mm per second with acceleration up to 20,000 mm per second squared, the K2 delivers lightning-fast production times while maintaining ultra-fine layer precision and operating at whisper-quiet sound levels under 45 decibels. The star of the combo setup is the Creality Filament System. Mounted seamlessly beside or atop the machine, the CFS holds 4 spools in an airtight, moisture-resistant environment. It handles automatic filament loading, multicolor changes during printing, and automatic spool switching when a roll runs out. Need even more colors? You can link up to 4 CFS units together to print in up to 16 distinct colors simultaneously. Feeding the system is Creality's next-generation APUS direct drive extruder paired with a high-flow, quick-swap hot end delivering up to 40 cubic millimeters per second of volumetric flow. Backed by a built-in automated magnetic filament cutter and runout sensors, it effortlessly processes everything from standard PLA and PETG to high-temp technical filaments like ABS, ASA, and carbon fiber blends. Calibration and operation are completely streamlined. The smart auto-leveling system probes specifically in the active printing area to save setup time, while the integrated AI camera monitors your print bed continuously for spaghetti failures or foreign objects, pausing the job automatically if an anomaly occurs. Combining 600 mm per second CoreXY speeds, a 260 by 260 by 260 mm build volume, 16-color CFS expansion, and AI-assisted print monitoring, the Creality K2 Combo is a modern benchmark in desktop 3D printing. If you enjoyed this Creality K2 Combo breakdown, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. What multicolor model or carbon fiber project are you printing first on this setup?